This is how to do an oil change on a 2023 Transit 350 HD. First things first, you need to open the hood. This is the 3.5 liter Ecoboost twin turbo. It takes 5W30 and 6 quarts of it. The oil and filter we're going to be using, Napa Full Synthetic 5W30 with a Napa Gold filter. Here are the tools that we're going to use for this oil change. A 15mm wrench for the drain plug and a universal oil filter remover. First things first, remove oil fill cap. Taking a look under here, we will find that our oil filter is right there. Then our drain plug is going to be right there. We're going to start off by first unscrewing the oil filter. Let it drain, filter. Unscrew it. Remove it. Next, we're going to clean off the surface with a clean towel. If you're able to, always pre-fill the oil filters before you're installing. Now that your new oil filter is in, hand tighten it, no more. Just by hand, and then you can take some brake clean. Here is your oil drain plug. Here's your 15 wrench. Loosen it. And there's the oil. Get the drain plug, put it back in, torque it to 20 foot-pounds. Brake clean any mess, put your funnel in. Install the oil cap. Check the oil, get it to the full mark, add oil if you need to, and then you just have to reset the oil life. To reset the oil life, turn the ignition on, go past all these settings. Now get to this menu, the gear icon, press on the menu, scroll down to vehicle maintenance, press OK, oil life, press OK, reset oil life, and hold OK to reset. Oil life reset successful, and it should be at 100%.